Cox Fleet has unified its services into an integrated network, and that means they can build solid maintenance plans for their clients, leading to measurable uptime and cost improvements.
We have a tremendous amount of information and data with our clients, and the more information we can get, the better we can get with building a really solid maintenance plan for them. To make sure we understand exactly what their portfolio of vehicles looks like, we can really put a solid plan together to really help them improve their uptime. Most of these clients that we deal with, a lot of them, dealing with their fleet isn't their core business. And when we're able to really understand what they have and what their needs are and what their business model is, we can really craft and develop a really solid plan to eliminate those things, those unexpected things happening that really can put a big dent in exactly what they're trying to do day to day.